ฮะกี่ดีแล้วนะกี่กันเนาะกี่กันเนาะนั่นจะได้แล้วตระกันกันนั่นเชียวอิมานนะพี่โอเคอ๋ออาจจะน้องวันนั้นว่าสมัครเงินตัวเนี่ยป่ะนั่งคลาสกี่อันนั่นท่า first semester สิยามยามเมดูดีอ่างยามมาแล้วก็ยังพอดีนั่งอ่างยามมาเลยป่ะอาจจะน้องวันนั้นแค่น้ำสมัครเงินตัวป่ะนั่ง parents เลยป่ะบ้ามาเลยป่ะโอ้อาจจะใกล้จริงเนี่ยเป็นอะไรกันมิงจีเรจิล่าทางผมตะกี้ก็เดี๋ยวมาบ่ายมิงหายไปอย่างไรโอ้มาบ่ายมิงสุขังเงี้ยแต่กี้ที่นั่งมิงสุขังเงี้ยเลยผมสุขังเงี้ยให้เองแต่ละมันให้เราทายกันก็ใกล้เดี๋ยวนี้ตอนนี้จะโมเดลล่ะคลาสแค่ใกล้เนาะ11มิงใกล้เขากี่เซนกี่ใกล้เดี๋ยวนี้แล้วเซนดิจ้ะยูเรียงบัมโอ้ตัวเกมให้กันอ่ะเกมให้กันโชว์ก็แล้วดูดิเล่นเชียนเดียวไม่ได้ต่อเล่นเชียนบีlike ช่วย science class เลยจ้ะ science ก็ยังพยายามเล่นเชียนบีเจไอ้หัวกันเด้อเชียนกี่ตัวเว้ยชาวกี่ตัวเว้ยอ่ะตัวเกมให้กี่ตัวป่ะให้ตัวจ้ะไม่ได้เนื้อมาบ้าเลยป่ะเลยอ่ะไม่ได้ที่นั่นเจ้เนื้อมาบ้ากี่อันขัดลุ่นลาใส่กูเลยมั้ง
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
ไม่ใช่กันไปป่ะไปอ่ะพาไปตุ้มยาเลยป่ะให้เราเกี่ยวอะไรด้วยให้เราเกี่ยวให้เราเกี่ยวอ่ะตัวแกน้องข้างกี่นั่งข้างหน้าเลยป่ะข้างหน้าเป็นเลยเป็นเลยตัวเราต้องให้เราเลยอ่ะฮะเป็นอะไรที่ช่วย
A few moments later.
cái này sister cái mình cái cầu kia vậy anh chú cái gì nói đi là chỉ cái nó kén ta ai cái mình kỹ năng cái vậy ai là ông mày anh đây này vậy sister cái đây nó vậy năm bộ đấy kia tôi đi lại thì tôi phụ lại qua tôi đấy xong rồi lao tôi cái gì cái gì tôi tôi cái nấm tăng hàng xuống cái lan thì khăn biết rồi vậy mà bà lấy lấy vậy lấy à mà bà cái mình số mình rồi đấy sao bị vậy cái đó vậy yung nagti kayo ito hay Nam Nam ko ada gidi babagi mingju khange nang ming di kaya ba anju nangi mingju khange babagi mingju khange leifam ju khange ba hay ekta ala man thara ge ha ba cái này là chân chính chứ, yêu xem bạn, du mà nãy kia, wow, du đi đâu vậy kia, đó mình đi cái câu kia, Gama, Bita, is, sao thế mình ngạc tên này quá, nói chia rồi sao, đó năng là đi ăn tàu, cái nói chia tàu hello quá, hay cái, phía bên đó.
anh khai mà nè nói chuyện anh em có gì yêu cái sang thằng cái lô
thôi ok sao chỉ cái gì nào hàng mấy phần đây kia mình đi cái câu kia ông đâm đi hay gì hả đó hả đâm school cái đó cái cái đó
ai dance German của dance
dance story vậy số hoa mà số hàng kia hàng dance mấy thằng nào bên lấy vậy
ai thằng nào bên
lấy tiền thầm môi
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Học sư phụ năng chạy từ 22 vào suy quá, 22 suy rồi chứ bộ ba thằng nào lấy tại vì đã thầm tại vì đã lấy chứ, cái nào ngày anh ngày là đó, năng thằng nào sẽ lấy thay này quá, đó, mà ba đi lấy quá, đó, yếm nát cây nữa, mấy anh làm bấm nông đi quá, thằng ấy vậy, mình giúp khang nghe, sắc mai giúp khang nghe quá, lấy phẩm giúp lấy khang nghe. đó hay người ta là mình thật béo
会，我大好不了，
希望你，希望你。Sister name tu kaya ba? May. Inanli Laisia May.
A few moments later.
Okay. Let me know your name first. What's your name? Okay.
You can just call me either Millie or Yaya. That's my nickname.
What?
Millie or Yaya.
Millie. Okay.
Yeah.
Millie from Nagaland.
Yes.
And you.
Atso.
Atsom. Nagaland.
Same village.
Nagaland. What about you?
Susan?
Susan.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Nice name. Wait. Can I see your face real quick? I wanna know. Next time when we meet, then we'll get to understand each other. Okay. My name is. Wait. My name is Kingston. Okay. And
강의 대장이 유도 아주
Wow. Okay, well then.
let me see your face first. Come on. Show me. Okay. Millie. And Atso and Susan. Millie, Atso, Susan. Okay. Susan, please. Let me see. Please. Okay. Today, I want to ask you some questions, okay? Do you have a boyfriend?
No?
Okay, let me ask you some questions then. In your future, you all will get married, right?
Yeah.
Okay, am I right? So let's talk about the future now, okay? When you are married, okay? When you are married, what's your future plan? Like, how many baby will you have? Tell me. Oh,
I think so I'll go with two. But
Two.
depends on the situation.
okay, 2, 4,
4, yeah.
4. What about you?
Same.
4. Let me talk to 4, okay? Like, you are 2, you are very weak.
क्वेसन गर्नु क्या
Oh, today was birthday.
That's
Okay,
my
happy birthday. But you are 2 weeks now. Let me talk today, okay? You have a boyfriend, okay? And
Yes, I have.
you have?
Yeah.
You have?
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you something, okay then?
Are you sure?
Okay. You have planned to have 4 babies, okay?
Yes.
Leave your boyfriend. I'll give more babies.